In this video, we will learn how to extract unique records only in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data, products, quantity sold and some categories. So I want to extract only unique data, and those who are duplicate data will be removed automatically and unique data will be extract. Okay, so let's start how it's done. Just go to the data tab, click on the advanced option. Here you first select your range of data. I just select my data range, then click on OK. Then copy to the another location and click on the unique records only. Here copy to where you want to extract your unique data. So I select this cell and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see all unique records will copy here. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.